Hi everyone. Hi my beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today I'm going to show you an easy peasy lemon squeezy centerpiece that you can do when you're having finally guests over this summer for your patio. And the reason why I'm saying it because it is patio season. It is summer. You want to make your outdoor beautiful. I am doing it inside, but you can do it obviously outdoors. It's super easy and will only require 3 things. Number 1, a long tray. This is a gold long tray. You can get these at honestly anywhere you have. Anywhere, dollar store, Home Sense, Winners, online, Amazon. And I will try to link you some on Amazon on my shop as well. See if I can find something on Amazon for you. Anyways, 1. Number 2, we all have a long used candles laying around, right? Used candles that we don't know even what to do with. Now, the great thing about using those, well, because you're going to use them, you're not going to throw them out. And the other thing is that you can actually use the ones, the citronella one, the ones that have nice scent that are going to repel also mosquitoes. So that would be an amazing idea to use them. And then the other thing is some sort of a bod vase, okay? So whatever bod vase you have, even sometimes when you don't have bod vases, you can totally use a mason jar. I like the bod vases because they're taller, so we're able to create some sort of height. Now, I'm going to give you 2 different designs this time around. I'm going to have, these are silk real touch orchids, and then I also have the pampas grass. So we're going to do one version that is kind of more sexy, as you want to call it, and then a little bit more earthy. So let's start. We are literally going to cluster our candles, okay? So we know that we have 3 heights. We're going to have 1 medium one on this side, 1 in the middle, right over here, and 1 here. And that way you will know that between these ones, you will have to place your candles, correct? Just like that. You literally are clustering them like that. So here we are. This is a luxurious kind of a vibe. And the same thing we can do actually on another note, if you don't have pampas grass or if you don't have even flowers, but you just have greenery like outside, or even grasses, beautiful grasses outside, you can totally use that. So let's go ahead and try it in a more natural tone. Let's take away our orchids. Let's take away our orchids and let's use our pampas grass. You're gonna layer them just like that. Sometimes you can even do them, you can just break them like this and do it a little bit longer. If you have extra ones, you can always lay them on the table around here, but I really like the cleanliness of this, or like this. So let's go ahead and light those candles. And there you have it. And now you can easily create your own centerpiece with whatever you have in the backyard, be it grasses like pampas grass, beautiful flowers like the orchids, or even grass that you have, green grass, or maybe you have your wild greenery, even from trees or fallen branches that you can save. Just fill the waters in these and you have a beautiful centerpiece for your next dinner with friends. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not hiding, I'm right here. I'm gonna be back next week with more amazing tips and tricks and DIYs to make your life more beautiful, your event more fabulous. And if you love what you see, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Mucho love. Bye, bye, bye. So you guys can see how it is with the orchids. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And if you are a flower snob, find new merch. Woohoo! At the link. Peace out. Alrighty. Hello, friends. Move this so you can see it. How is everybody doing today? Today on the Designing with Margot show. And pose. And pose. Pose, 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 pose. Okay, good.